there, welcome to mybb training. Basically, how do I get, this is also for admin, CP, and then also plugins. Basically, how do I install plugins and stuff like that? There's really nobody putting any tutorials up there on YouTube that actually sit there and actually put all this stuff of information that you need to have. So what I recommend is watch this video and just watch me do this. Now you're gonna have to go to the mybb site, which is very easy to go to. Go to mods. Now just remember, any mods that you download, technically, guess what? mybb is not reliable, because actually they don't basically put that stuff on the site to where that they're actually affiliated with mybb. However, they do kind of govern a little bit, but it's very crappy. It definitely needs more control in that department. I've actually downloaded a very powerful malware that was actually basically a plugin, and it's like you didn't find that, you didn't test it. I mean, before anybody puts anything on here, you should test it out. It doesn't make any sense. So there has been, of course, you have to download something. So you have to go through this and you have to download it. So I was able to download a lot, but there's also a lot of plugins that don't actually work, believe it or not. So it's definitely very irritating. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a plugin just out of pure random. I'm not even going to care which one it is. Say I'm going to pick something that's actually kind of a little bit of a difficult thing to actually, to install, but I want to pick something that I know that would actually work, and something that would actually be good at the same time. Wow. Okay, well, this is the plugin that I've actually chosen, because I know that you guys will notice this right away. Okay, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to view any pictures that I can. I'm also going to read any information that will help me choose if I want to download this or not, because after all, I am taking a risk that it could actually mess up my my whole entire thing. So I go to click here to open folder. I move this over to my desktop so I can see what I'm doing. And this is it right here. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to move this over to the desktop, and basically what you're going to do is open up FileZilla. Yes, you're going to have to use the FileZilla a lot more than you realize. I'm going to have a FileZilla tutorial of exactly how to do that. You just just go to reconnect, automatically takes you back to your recent location, and basically where's it at? I know it's over here somewhere. It actually shows you where you recently have been, but I can't see it right now. One, I'm tired. I don't. Oh, here it is. Click over here. It'll show you like your recent activity, and you can pick which one that works, and then there you go. Problem solved. Anyway, all right. So here's the thing. As far as this is concerned, this is images. Don't understand that. Just like anybody else, you don't understand that. So, and then plugins, I'm confused. Okay, this is how this works. the files that are in here, let's go to images. Okay, what I want to do is I want to open this up. You see where this says side menu icons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here just like that. Alright, and pretty soon we'll have, okay, it's already installed, okay. And basically after that I'm done. Now I'm going to go to the INC, which is, you know, basically this is where, pretty much where the magic happens most of the time. And go to plugins. Automatically, yes. Sometimes they'll have languages, so you'll actually have to put languages in. But basically, wherever the folders say that to go, then you just drag and drop right there, and it automatically goes into play. Now, does that actually work? Now, let me sit here and explain this, because you guys are probably going, oh my god, I don't understand it. Okay. A lot of times, these folders don't actually come with any tutorial processes. It really depends on you. You got to be a really smart. I'll have more tutorials probably, I don't know. It's one of those problems that this is kind of a light plugin, but let me see what I can do. Let me see if I can train you in one video, but I doubt it. Okay, so this is how I figured out how to do this. Okay, so you go to INC, that means that's where I got to go here, okay, INC. Now, this says plugin, so it automatically tells me where I need to go. This one right here. You need to make sure you go to the plugins, okay? And I have a file here that's it. So then that means that I've got to use it, and it's white for one, and that tells me right there that it's actually the same. So you can definitely tell that these kind of go with each other. So you just drag and drop into that, done. Now, if you had languages, you know, it would tell you either you have admin or whatever the case may be. But the thing is, like, that's the way it is. Now, how do I set this up? Well, first off, let's go back here to talk about this. Anywhere that, you know, they tell you to go, you just go to it, and if it tells you to go to admin, just drag it over right there. Like I said, I'm gonna try you know, maybe a different video tutorial, because I don't know if you guys can understand that. It's a little complicated because, honestly, it took me a while to understand that. And some plugins, they'll have like 50 different things that go in there. So it can be very confusing. I will have to probably make like a video and then a video and a video. But this is going to be something that's, you know, definitely good for just this alone. So let's just work with this for now, and then we'll get back to the other stuff. All right. So let's get out of here. Basically, let's go back to the website, our website. You know, the one that we just made, which would be your website. And basically, let's go to configuration. Go to plugins, and then there it is, side menu. I just, you know, all I gotta do is just activate it, and it's good to go. Alright, now I'm just going to reset this, and here it is, voila. This is the thing that is given me here. Now, what's going to happen is most likely this admin CP is going to disappear. I have found out that it also makes this disappear as well, and then this admin CP will sometimes disappear as well. So you're going to have to go up here to the address bar and type in admin, delete this index stuff, and just type in admin. So basically it just does it like that, instant, spontaneous. Alright, that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now the this little menu here makes it really nice for some simple, you know, ways of doing things. So anyway, that's pretty much the reason. Okay, next thing on our list is basically that there's going to be other plugins that are actually going to be a lot more harder to, you know, do, because they have so many different files. They have images, they have admin stuff. You actually got to go put that into like the, you know, the JavaScripts and stuff like that. But the basic science is they put them in the folders that you have to put them in. So that way it's a lot easier for you to do that, to work with that. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple, but at the same time it's very, 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 very complicated. So it's one of those things, like I'm probably gonna have to do another video, you know, to show an example. Like there's a game section that's like, oh my god, that thing is just packed in with so much stuff. Would actually be a good idea to kind of go ahead and, like, you know, do that as well. but we're running out of time. Best thing to do is to basically just you know, do another video. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll have like a troubleshoot video so that way you guys can, you know, if you guys need more details. That's just kind of like the rundown way of things, like, you know, really fast way to do things. It's very simple once you get the hang of swinging things. It will take some time to get used to, but it's very, very simple. Very, very easy. Also, by the way, mybb also allows you to like look for plugins. It says browse plugins right here, and it will actually let you, you know, download it, which is kind of interesting, but at the same time you still, yeah, pretty much. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. That's it. Bye bye.